Hi, this video will demonstrate the ACA printing process for your annual ACA 1095s and 1094 forms. So Kathy Watts has logged in. She's the Director of Payroll and HR for this demonstration company. And she's just going to go to the hamburger. Under the My Team icon, she's going to go to Benefits. Then she's going to select ACA. So to print the forms at the end of the processing period, she's going to go to the ACA year-end processing. She's going to select the row for her selected forms. She's completed all of the steps. She needs to go to this Deliver Forms area. So she's going to print forms. It brings up a list of all of the employees. She's going to select all employees, and then she's going to select or click the Print Settings button. Now, Kathy chooses to print everything on letter paper, and when printing for her employees, she checks the first 4 boxes here and then says Apply. Once she does that, then she can do the Download PDF, and the system will provide a PDF of all of her employees' ACA forms. It's 162 pages because it's multiple pages. We have a page with the employee inside address, a blank page, then we have page 1 of the ACA, part 1 and 2, instructions, and part 3 with the covered individuals and additional instructions. Then it begins the next grouping for the next envelope. So these are the ones that you would do for the employees. Because you're going to be stuffing these in envelopes, you need those on separate pages. When you print, you could print double-sided. So once she's printed that, then she's going to change her print settings for the government process. So she doesn't need the inside address and the blank page for the government forms. All she needs is the actual form. However, she also doesn't need the instructions or to mask the SSNs. The government does not want to, and they will reject your forms if they receive these forms mailed in with masked Social Security numbers. So uncheck every box for the PDF that you want to download for the government. Click Apply, and then download your PDF. And this particular one will come up. When it opens, we can see that we only have 54 pages, which is typically the same number of ACA forms that you're publishing. So you've got the ACA forms and then the covered individuals for each one. You can print these front and back, and then when you're done with that, then we're going to come back out, and Kathy's going to click on her hamburger. She's going to go back to the forms. She goes to the employer forms for the 1094s. I'm going to look at this 1094C for 2021. Download the PDF. And now you have your 1094C to be printed and put at the front of all of the 1095Cs that you're going to mail to the government. Remember, if you are printing or have more than 250 ACA forms, you are required to upload these forms using the AIR file or the AIR transfer process, which is found at the AIR submission at the bottom of this year-end processing checklist. All right, let us know if you have questions.